And now I will demonstrate how to use hair sticks. Hair sticks are not as commonly used as hair clips or even hairpins, but it is one way to section your hair off when you are styling your hair, or even it's a way to just use them for fashion purposes. What I would do if I were using hair sticks, one way to secure your sticks is you can apply a bobby pin into the hair initially, and then apply the stick in against the grain of your French twist, and then apply your other stick against the grain of your French twist, but under your first stick. And that is an example of how to apply sticks.